Ever looked at the ocean from a plane? It seems perfectly flat, a smooth blue sheet stretching to the horizon. But get closer, and you see it's a chaotic mess of waves, foam, and spray. What if I told you that reality itself, the very fabric of space and time, is exactly the same? Welcome to the mind-bending world of quantum foam. This isn't just a cool sci-fi concept. It has a profound idea that sits at the crossroads of our two greatest theories of physics: Einstein's general relativity and quantum mechanics. The term quantum foam was coined back in 1955 by the brilliant physicist John Wheeler. He imagined that if you could zoom in on space-time to the tiniest possible scale, the Planck scale that has a decimal point followed by 30 for zeros and a 1, you wouldn't find a smooth, continuous fabric. Instead, you find a seething, bubbling, chaotic mess. Think of it as the graininess of reality. At this unimaginably small level, space and time are no longer well-behaved. They fluctuate wildly. The geometry of spacetime itself becomes uncertain, bending, twisting, and frothing. Tiny, fleeting wormholes could be popping in and out of existence. Little baby universes could be bubbling up and disappearing in an instant. This is all thanks to the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, which, when applied to gravity, means that even the curvature of spacetime can't be pinned down. According to quantum field theory, even empty space is never truly empty. It's fizzing with what we call vacuum energy, where pairs of virtual particles, a particle and its antiparticle, constantly erupt into existence, before annihilating each other almost instantly. In the quantum foam, this activity is so intense that physicists say spacetime literally boils. From our large-scale perspective, everything looks calm and orderly, just like the distant ocean. But at its fundamental level, the universe is a place of pure, untamed chaos. So, why does any of this matter? It's not just theoretical poetry. Understanding quantum foam could be the key to unlocking the holy grail of modern physics, a theory of everything. It's our best bet for finally uniting general relativity, the theory of the big, with quantum mechanics, the theory of the small. If spacetime isn't smooth, it could solve a lot of paradoxes that arise when we try to merge these two worlds. Furthermore, this foaminess might have real, observable consequences. Imagine a photon of light traveling across billions of light years from a distant quasar or a gamma ray burst. As it zips through the universe, it has to navigate this jittery, frothy spacetime. Over such vast distances, the tiny bumps and wobbles could add up, potentially blurring or dispersing the light in a way we could detect if different colors or energies of light travel at infinitesimally different speeds due to this foam. We might be able to measure it. Scientists are actively hunting for these signatures right now. Telescopes like the Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope are staring at the most distant events in the cosmos, looking for any telltale signs of spacetime noise. Gravitational wave observatories like LIGO are also listening for faint rumbles that might betray the granular nature of reality. So far, we haven't found definitive proof, but with every new observation, we're placing tighter and tighter limits on what quantum foam could be. Beyond the hard science, the idea of quantum foam taps into something deeply philosophical. Ancient traditions have long spoken of a fundamental substrate of creation, a universal energy field from which all matter arises. Concepts like ether in Greek philosophy or prana in Hindu traditions can be seen as poetic attempts to describe the very same thing that physics now calls the quantum vacuum. It has a beautiful thought that beneath the surface of everything we see and touch lies an infinite, energetic ocean, constantly creating and uncreating the universe, moment by moment. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that the vast, empty space between the stars might not be empty at all. It might be a roiling, energetic foam, the very foundation of our existence. We are all just patterns dancing on the surface of this cosmic ocean. Thanks for joining me on this journey to the edge of reality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.